Hey, what's up everybody? If you're seeing this video, odds are your vehicle was damaged in the recent hailstorms. Now you're gonna wanna check this out because I'm gonna walk you through behind the scenes the exact process on the paintless dent repair method. And I'm gonna show you how we go about fixing your entire vehicle without using zero paint, no body filler, keeping your car's factory paint finish, using the tools behind me, and keeping your car in its original state as the day you bought it right off the showroom floor. So let's go over here and let's check it out. So I got a 2013 Dodge Avenger here, and we're gonna start out by fixing the roof. And as you can see, all the hail damage on the top of the roof panel here. There's probably about 100 dents up here. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by fixing the roof first. And as you can see behind me, I've got my really long LED lamp set up, and this allows me to see all the dents. It helps magnify the depthness of them as well. I've got my headliner dropped. That allows me to get access behind that metal because I'm gonna use a tool like this right here. This is about a 5-foot rod with a double-sided tip on it, and this is what I'm gonna use in back of that metal to slowly massage each dent up one by one till it's 100% perfect. With my headliner dropped here and my hook in the door jamb, what I'm gonna do is slide my tool right up through here on the inside of that hook, and then I'm going to start fixing the roof. Now, a good rule of thumb, if you've got about a quarter-size dent on your vehicle, it takes anywhere from 30 to 60 pushes back underneath the metal to get that dent up to its factory height. So if you've got a car with hail damage and it's got thousands of quarter-size dents on it, you can see where this gets to be a little bit of a tedious process. Now we've got the trunk off the car. We've got it placed up on a stand that's designed for doing paintless dent repair. And this allows us access to underneath of it because we got to get behind that metal to fix the dents. And we're going to go ahead and start fixing the hail damage on the top of this. Now for fixing the trunk, we're going to use a different set of tools. Each tool's got its own little special design to it. Some of them are more flat, where other ones are a little bit more longer, a little bit more bent up. But these are actually the variety of tools that you can fix almost every car, the hail damage on almost every single vehicle. And each one, like I said, it's got its own little special bend to it. Some are wide, some are more thin. And these are used for coming up underneath braces, like what's underneath on the deck lid on this. Up underneath here, I'm gonna shove those tools in the back of these braces and fix all the dents on the top of this trunk here. So I got a tool here called a well tail, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide it up underneath this brace here. This is gonna allow me access to get inside of here and start fixing the dents. And I'm gonna use a motion like this until that dent comes out flawlessly. So here's the before and after on the trunk. Here's the before. This was the damage. And here is the after. As you can see, it looks brand new again, as if it was never touched, keeping its factory paint finish. That's what you want. Now let's jump to the roof and I'll show you the before and after on it. All right, here's the before. Still about 100 some dents on the right hand side. And here is the after. This is the side that we just fixed. And as you can see, it's pretty flawless, as if there's no evidence at all of any hail damage on this vehicle on the left-hand side. So as you can see, the paintless dent repair techniques is by far the best way to go about fixing a car that's severely hit with hail damage. It's recommended by every major insurance company. So give us a call today. We're gonna put you into a free rental car plus pay your deductible, which means you're gonna pay $0 out of pocket to get your car back to its factory OEM condition. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon. Take care.